What do you use to remove dead skin cells off your skin? Not that old wash rag in your shower. Why not use a foaming sugar scrub? In today's video, I'm going to show you a great do-it-yourself foaming sugar scrub with lemon and lavender essential oils and fragrances and butters and oils that are nourishing to your skin. Keep watching for the technique and the recipe. Hello, good morning, good day, good evening. I am Natasha and welcome to Natasha's Suds and Scents. In today's video, we're going to create a product that's going to take care of the largest organ of our body. We are going to get our skin in order for the season. Did you know that your skin sheds about 30,000 to 40,000 dead skin cells every minute? Ugh, my goodness gracious. That's about 9 pounds every year of dead skin. And sugar is a natural exfoliant that you could use to remove some of the dead cells naturally. We shed them, but not all the time they get removed, which is why some of you need to be washing your dirty pillows and those pillowcases and exfoliate some of those crusty feet that's probably tearing up your sheets. Oh my goodness. Guys, dust mites love human dead skin.
Oh, OMG.
No. I am scooping out the base and I'm going to whip it because I want it to be soft, so that I can incorporate my other additive ingredients. Now let's add some of our oils and butters, which is going to help nourish our skin while we exfoliating using the sugar. So I'm going to start off with shea butter. I'm only going to add about a half an ounce. I'm going to also add mango butter, added half an ounce. I'm going to add avocado oil, added half an ounce. I'm going to next add glycerin to our mixture at 1 ounce. Although there is vitamin E in shea butter and mango butter, I'm going to add a small amount of vitamin E to our mix. A little can't hurt. Because this is a product that may be exposed to water, we want to prevent mold and mildew, so I'm adding octafin, which is a preservative. For this recipe that I'm showing you, I did not want to add a whole lot of oils and butters because quite frankly, I don't want a mixture that's going to be oily or buttery when I'm soaping and exfoliating my skin. But I do understand that I need moisture and softness to my skin, so I know that they would help, but I don't want to overdo it. Now it's time for the sugar, and I am using a cane sugar. I like how this feels on the skin. The granules are not too small, so they won't really melt in your foaming sugar scrub base, and also they are gentle to the skin. If you don't have a mixer like I have, you can always use a hand blender. That will work well also. I am rough cutting the batter in half because I want half of it to be a lavender color and the other half to be the regular white color. I have already added about 1 ounce of fragrance oil to this. It's actually a half an ounce of lavender essential oil and then a half an ounce of the lemon sugar fragrance oil, which smells so sweet and nice, you guys. If you have not tried sugar scrubs before, you guys, you have to try it. I don't care how much testosterone is pumping through your veins, you would love sugar scrubs. I, for one, completely underestimated it until I used it. I use it sometimes on my face. I definitely use it on the rest of my body, my feet. There are some scrubs out there that you can use on your lips to help to get rid of that skin that forms on your lips. That one I think has like a wax in it. Sometimes I use it to wash my hands if I need something more aggressive to get, like, let's say I'm outside and I'm gardening and I don't want to just rinse my hands off with soap. I will use like a spatula or a spoon and take it out and then use the sugar scrub to help pull all that oil and dirt and stuff out of my hands. But sugar scrubs are really, really good to use to help to exfoliate your skin naturally, you guys. And you'll be surprised how soft. When I tell you soft, you'll be surprised how polished your skin feels. Adding the mango butter, adding the shea butter, adding the vitamin E and the avocado oil is almost like you're taking off the old skin and you're nourishing the new skin that is revealed underneath. It is wonderful. If you want to do a quickie concoction, guys, get a container, get some sugar, get your favorite oil, mix them, and start exfoliating your skin and then rinse it off. You will see a difference. This is a nice way of making something for yourself. And for easy transfer, I use the piping bag, and look at that. That looks like you want to just indulge. And it's nice, it's thick, it has the scent that I want, and it will last. It will lather and foam up, grabbing that oil and dirt and rinsing it off when you wash it off. And it's easy, you guys. So I wanted to show you guys how I use it. Now, ideally, you want your skin to already be wet. I should have showed you that I've at least wet my skin before I applied it. But you want your skin to already be moist. If you're using this as a routine, you should bathe first and then use your sugar scrub on top of that. Because then you're already taking the dirt off. Now you're going to continue by taking off the dead skin. And then you follow up with your moisturizer as usual. But this recipe that I'm showing you here, my skin already felt nice and smooth. It was soft. The sugar gently exfoliates. And your mango butter, your shea butter, your vitamin E, and your glycerin is helping to soften and moisturize the skin that is revealed underneath. It rinsed off clean. My skin wasn't greasy. You guys would really enjoy using this sugar scrub, I'm telling you. I hope you tried this recipe and enjoy it because it made my skin feel so nice, and I know it'll do the same for you guys. So instead of purchasing a sugar scrub, try to make your own version with your own butters and your own oils and fragrances and essential oils, and enjoy naturally exfoliating your skin. Pamper and take care of your beautiful skin. The weather is changing, you guys, and this will be an excellent addition to your skincare routine. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Before you leave, please click on the next video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Protect your energy, you guys.